Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rambharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohannagar, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to start my lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about the non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient and the rules of CF for reducible or non-reducible, both cases. Clear? What do you mean by non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation? Clear? General form of the linear differential equation with constant coefficient is f d comma d dash z is equal to f of xy, where f xy be any function of xy. Clear? The differential equation is said to be non-homogeneous if f d comma d dash contains the terms in which all are not having equal degree. For example, f of d comma d dash is equal to d square, suppose d square plus 5d d dash plus d. Clear? This is the non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation because this term have the three terms. This equation have the three terms. In this equation, this term have the degree 2, this term have the collectively degree 2, but this term have the degree 1. So it is non-homogeneous. Homogeneous linear partial differential equation. The homogeneous linear partial differential equation are divided in two categories. Number first, f d comma d dash is f d comma d dash is reducible to linear factor ad plus b d dash plus c, and second is f d comma d dash is not reducible to linear factor. In both cases, the equation first have the solution is z is equal to cf plus pi. Cf means complementary function, plus particular integral. Complementary function comes out from LHS and particular integral comes from RHS. Now we learn the rules of CF when f d comma d dash is reducible to linear factor. Clear? Let us suppose that in this case, let us consider AD plus BD dash plus C be the linear factor of f d comma d dash. So we can write it as AD plus BD dash plus C z is equal to 0. Then CF in this case is equal to e to the power minus C by A into x into phi bx minus ay when a will not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then CF is minus C by B, then C by B the multiply y and phi bx minus ay when B will not equal to 0. If AD plus BD dash plus C be repeated, let us suppose it to be repeated repeated 3 times, suppose. Then in this case pi is e to the power minus c by a to the power x into repeated 3 times, that means phi 1 bx minus ay plus x, phi 2 bx minus ay plus x square, phi 3 bx minus ay. If a will not equal to 0, if a is equal to 0, then this is the form c upon b into y, phi 1 bx minus ay plus y, phi 2 bx minus ay plus y square, phi 3 bx minus ay, where when b will not equal to 0. Clear? This is the rules of CF when the f d comma d dash is reducible to linear factor. Clear? Now we learn this CF with the help of the examples. Find the CF. Question is find the solution d dash d plus 2d dash plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation. First of all, we check that this equation is homogeneous or not. Clearly this equation is non-homogeneous, and if equation is non-homogeneous, then we check that this equation is reducible or not. Clearly this equation is reducible. Okay, so this can be write as equation can be write as d 1 plus 0 into d plus 0, and d dash can be write as 0 into d plus 1 into d dash plus 0, d plus 2d dash plus 1, z is equal to 0. Here in this factor a is equal to 1, in b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0. In this factor a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, or c is equal to 0. In this factor a is equal to 1, b is equal to b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. Clear? Then CF, in this case CF is corresponding to this factor e to the power minus c by a into x, phi bx minus ay, phi 1 bx minus ay, plus e to the power minus c by b, here a is equal to 0, here c by b into y, phi 2 bx minus ay, plus e to the power minus c by a x, phi 3 bx minus ay. Now put the value of a, b, c in corresponding the factors. So this is the corresponding to first factor, so the value of in this, the value of c is 0, so this becomes 0. Phi 1 bx, b is 0, minus a is 1 into y, plus e to the power minus c, again this factor c is 0, so this becomes 0 completely. Phi 2 b, in this factor b is equal to 1, so this is x minus a is 0, plus e to the power, the value of in this value of c in this factor is 1, the value of a is 1, x, phi 3 b 2 bx minus a y. Clear? The value of this is 0, this is phi 1. Clear? Phi 1 minus y, plus phi 2 x, plus e to the power minus x, phi 3 2x minus y, right? This here again, since phi is the arbitrary function, so it may be even or odd function, so we will take phi 1 minus y as phi 1y, phi 2x, plus e to the power minus x, phi 3 2x minus y, and pi in this case is equal to 0 because RHS of this equation is 0. So complete solution. So complete solution is z is equal to CF plus pi. CF phi 1y plus phi 2x plus e to the power minus x, phi 3 2x minus y. This is the complete solution of the given problem. Now we learn another problem. Find the pi. Question that find the pi. R plus 2s plus t plus 2p plus 2q plus z is equal to 0. Clear? We know that R means in the partial differential, R means del square z over del x square, and we know that del over del x is equal to d, and del over del y is equal to d dash, and del square del x del y is equal to d dash. Clear? So this becomes d square z, or s is del square z over del x del y. So this is d dash z. T is del square z over del y square. So this is d dash square z. T. P is del z over del x. This is dz. Q is del z over del y. So this is dash z. Now put this value in equation first. Put in equation first. We get, and take the z is common. So this equation becomes d square d dash 2d dash plus d dash square plus 2d plus 2d dash plus 1. Z is equal to 0. Now before solving this equation, first of all we check that this equation is homogeneous or not. It is homogeneous. Clear? This equation clearly, this equation is this equation clearly, this equation is non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Now we check it. It is reducible or not? It is reducible or not? It is reducible to linear factor or not. Clear? Now for checking reducibility linear factor, factorize this equation. This equation becomes d square plus 2d dash plus d square. This is the d plus d dash to the whole power 2 plus, take 2 is common, this d plus d dash, clear, plus 1. Z is equal to 0, right? This is the perfect whole square of d plus d dash plus 1. This is the perfect whole square, d plus d dash plus 1 to the whole power 2 equal to Z is equal to 0. Here this is reducible to linear factor and repeated. This is repeated linear factor. Clear? Factor. And repeated two times. Here now find the value of a corresponding to this factor. Value of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 1, and value of c is equal to 1. The coefficient of d is a, coefficient d dash is equal to b, and constant term is c. So CF in this case, CF is e to the power minus c by a, right, into x, phi 1 bx minus ay plus x phi 2 bx minus ay. Clear? Put the value of a, b and c, the corresponding equation that we get. This is minus c, that means c minus x. Clear? C is 1, a is 1, minus x, and phi 1 bx, b is 1, x minus y, plus x phi 2 x minus y. Clear? This is the CF, and pi in this equation is equal to 0. Complete solution, z is equal to CF plus pi, right? Clear? Now we learn the second case when when case second when f d dash cannot be reducible to linear factor clear, cannot reducible to linear factor. So for finding CF in this case for finding CF we take a trial solution z is equal to a e to the power hx plus ky, where h, k and a are constants and h, k are connected or related by the relation f of h k is equal to 0, then the required CF in this case right edge or the most general solution CF in this case right edge z is equal to sigma a e to the power hx plus ky, where f of hk is equal to 0. Clear? This is h. This is x. Clear? Now we learn this rule of CF with the help of example. The CF of the equation is d minus d dash square z is equal to 0. Clear? This is the equation. Here it is clearly we see that the given equation not reducible, this equation not reducible into linear factor. Clear? So in this case we take a trial solution. Z is equal to a e to the power hx plus ky. Clear? Trial solution. Equation second is the solution of the equation first. So this solution satisfy the equation first. Now find dz. dz means partial derivative of z with respect to x. So this is a e to the power hx plus ky into h. Clear? And d dash square z means second derivative 2 times. Find the derivative 2 times with respect to z of, sorry, with respect to y of z. So this is a e to the power hx plus ky into k square. Clear? Now put this value in the equation first. Put in equation first. So we get the value of, that means this first term is d del z, dz, sorry, d dash square z is equal to 0. The value of dz is a e to the power hx plus ky. The value of d dash square z is a e to the power hx plus ky into k square is equal to 0. Take the common a e to the power hx. A e to the power hx plus ky the common. So we get here h is left. Sorting, that is h minus k square is equal to 0. Product of two term is equal to 0, then either one of them will be 0. But this is not equal to 0 because this is 0 but z is equal to 0, which is impossible. So here we get a e to the power hx plus ky will not equal to 0, right? So we get h minus k square is equal to 0. So we get h is equal to k square. Clear? H is equal to k square. Now put this value in equation second. We get z is equal to a e to the power h. The value of h is k square x plus ky. Clear? Then the most general solution is, then we write as most general solution of first. We take the summation for the equation e to the power k square x plus ky. Clear? In this equation, k and a are arbitrary constants. In this equation, where k and a are arbitrary constants. Clear? This is the answer. This is the solution in the case when the non-homogeneous partial differential equation cannot be reducible into linear factor. Clear? Sorry. This is the example. Objective. Here, this equation is non-homogeneous because this factor contains all the term having equal degree, but this factor does not contains all term equal degree because degree of 4 is not equal. The degree of d dash equal 1, but this is not equal. Clear? So, and the second factor is repeated 3 times. So in this case, we write this as d minus d dash, clear, plus 0, right, and d minus 5d dash plus 4 3 times, that means 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to, in this factor, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0, and in this factor a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 4, but in this factor repeated 3 times. So CF is e to the power minus c by a. C is 0, c by a, 0 by 1 into x, clear, into phi 1 bx, b minus 1 into x minus a by 1 into y plus e to the power minus c by a and 4 by 1 into x and 5 to bx, b minus 5x minus a by 1y plus x phi 3 bx minus ay plus x square phi 3 bx minus ay, clear. This is 1, this is phi 1, and phi 1, phi 2, phi 3 arbitrary functions. It may be even function or odd function, ठीक है. So we take it as even function, then x plus y plus in the whole the partial differential equation we take only even, we treat arbitrary function as a even function, clear. So minus 4x phi 2 5x plus y plus x phi 3 5x plus y plus x square phi 3 5x plus y phi 1 the option e to the power minus 4x not correct. This function phi 1 phi 2 same function here, function same. This is not option, correct answer. f1 f, this is not, minus 4y, so option D is correct, none of these, clear. Sorry, this is the phi 1 phi 2 phi, this is the phi 4, clear, this is the phi 4. So option D is correct in this problem. Okay, thank you.